Looking for hiking boots that won't slow you down on the trail? You're in the right place. I'm Dexter, and on this WorkEap video, I'm sharing some of the best lightweight hiking boots, all picked based on real Amazon reviews. You'll find all the links in the description below, and heads up, they're not ranked in any order, so stick around to see which one might be your perfect fit. And hey, if you love hiking gear content, don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more gear reviews and tips. All right, let's get into it. First up, we've got the Columbia Newton Ridge Plus 2, a fan favorite for a reason. These boots strike an excellent balance between being lightweight and durable, which is pretty rare in hiking boots. The upper combines tough leather with breathable mesh, giving you waterproof protection without overheating your feet. This is super important because wet or sweaty feet can quickly turn a fun hike into an uncomfortable slog. The outsole features deep lugs with excellent traction, which means whether you're climbing wet rocks, walking through muddy trails, or navigating loose gravel, you'll feel confident with every step. I also love the ankle support on these. They're not bulky but provide enough stability to help prevent ankle rolls on uneven ground. Another great point is the comfort level. The footbed is cushioned just right, so you get support without feeling stiff or restricted. Perfect for those longer days when you're out on the trail for hours. If you want reliable, all-weather boots that don't weigh you down, check them out in the description below. Next up is the Nortiv 8 Armadillo, a solid choice if you want lightweight boots without breaking the bank. These boots have a very breathable mesh upper combined with durable overlays for protection. What I like about these is that they're really good for warmer weather hikes, or when you want your feet to breathe a bit more. Breathability is key to avoiding blisters and overheating during the summer, or when you're hiking in humid conditions. The Armadillo boots also offer solid ankle support for preventing twists and rolls, which is critical on uneven or rocky trails. Their sole is designed to provide dependable traction on a variety of surfaces, from dirt and gravel to light rocky terrain, making them great for casual hikers or day trips. Plus, they're super lightweight and comfortable for longer walks, so you won't feel weighed down after a few miles. If you're hunting for comfort and value, this one's definitely worth a look. You'll find the link in the description. Now, let's talk about the Merrell Moab 3 Mid, one of the most trusted names in hiking boots. These boots are designed to go the distance, and it shows. The Vibram outsole provides excellent traction on slippery or uneven surfaces, helping you maintain stability on technical trails. The midsole offers great cushioning and shock absorption, which means your feet and joints get some much-needed relief on long hikes. The upper is a smart mix of leather and breathable mesh, helping keep your feet cool without sacrificing durability. This makes the Moab 3 Mid a fantastic all-around boot for different weather conditions and terrains. The mid-height design supports your ankles well, offering protection without feeling heavy or restrictive. If you're hitting longer or rougher trails and want a boot that's been tested and loved by many hikers, this is a solid pick. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get more details or to grab a pair for your next adventure. The Timberland White Ledge Mid boots bring a rugged, classic look with solid performance. They're crafted with waterproof leather, so your feet stay dry through wet grass, streams, or rain. This waterproofing also adds to the boot's durability, making them last through many hiking seasons. One thing that stands out about these boots is their versatility. They look just as good on the trail as they do around town. So if you want boots you can hike in, but also wear casually, these hit that sweet spot. The outsole offers dependable traction across various surfaces, and the mid-height design provides good ankle stability, which helps protect against sprains. Comfort-wise, they're nicely padded to keep your feet cushioned during long hikes, but still light enough so you don't feel sluggish on your feet. If you want boots that combine style, comfort, and functionality, take a look at the link in the description below. Finally, the Danner Mountain's 600 waterproof boots offer a premium mix of modern tech and classic leather craftsmanship. Despite their traditional leather look, these boots are surprisingly lightweight, thanks to innovative materials and design techniques. They use a Gore-Tex lining, which is top-notch for waterproofing, while still allowing your feet to breathe. No sweaty feet here. The cushioned midsole helps absorb impact, so even on rough, rocky terrain, your feet stay comfortable and supported. The rugged outsole grips exceptionally well, making these boots ideal for serious hikes and challenging conditions. Plus, they're built to last, a great investment if you want a boot that offers durability without sacrificing comfort or style. Check the description if you want to learn more about these boots and why they might be the perfect fit for your hiking adventures. So, there you have it. 5 great options for lightweight hiking boots, each with its own strengths to fit different needs and budgets. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all here. Choose the pair that fits your trail style and comfort best. Let me know in the comments which boots you'd pick or if you've already tried any of these. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Workeep for more hiking gear reviews and tips. Thanks for watching. Get out there, stay light on your feet, and I'll see you in the next one.